Headlights on the highway. If you only knew, being back here always makes me think of you. When the world is sleeping, do you think of me? With the road lights coming back again, coming back to me. I remember the long drives, the late nights in your car. I remember it all. Windows down, empty streets, you were all I used to know. You and I, forever, forever ago. And you used to drive me home. Now I drive alone. You and I, forever, forever, forever ago.
Had to stop and take a picture of my license plates and ID for the broker. I figured it's a good time to get a little video of this mountain. I believe it's Mount Shasta. Not 100% sure, but I'm in California. I'm almost by Weed. It's really pretty. Got snow on it. There's only 56 degrees here right now, which is unusually cool for the middle of June. Going back home was like, yesterday it was only in the 60s, and normally around this time of the year it'd be like 100. it's about 1,900 miles. Gotta be there on Friday. Today's Monday. I think we got plenty of time. Only problem is GPS wants me to go on this back road that goes into Susanville and onto Reno. And I know that that road's not really good for trucks, so actually probably gonna be a little bit more miles to get down to I-80 and get across Donner Pass. But it's gonna be beautiful for sure, and it's gonna be a long day. Picking up, I don't know, did I say this already? I'm picking up walnuts. Actually, they're selling them inside the office. Got this big bag, $3. So that'll be a nice snack later. Well, this is as far as we made it for today. We're at Donner Summit. Elevation 7,227 feet. I don't know why they have this all blocked off. Kind of sucks. Come on, cover. The worst part about going east is the sun is going to be right in my face for a couple hours. You want to make sure you got a nice clean windshield when you're going east early in the morning. It sucks, but it's pretty. Puppers is not liking this place. Not very much grass. And it seems like every car in it and every truck has a dog coming out barking at her. This is the rest area where I-84 and I-80 meet in Utah. Watch for snakes. Snakes.
Nothing of what I feel is real. But fuck, I'm such a drama queen. I know it's just a crush. 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 I know it's just a crush. 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 You said hi and I thought, here we go. Can you tell that I am all but sober? Never realized my friends went home. Suddenly you're all I need. The situation, it gets me frustrated. It's all in my head. I fall in love way too easily. I always need to remind myself, nothing of what I feel is real. But fuck, I'm such a drama queen. I know it's just a crush. 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 I know it's just a crush. 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 I know that it's just a crush, but I always read way too much into stuff. Nothing of what I feel is real. But fuck, I'm such a drama queen. I know it's just a crush. I know it's just a crush. I know it's just a crush. 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 I know it's just a crush. 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 I know that it's just a crush, but I always read way too much into stuff.
Parked at the back of this TA tonight. Not a lot to tell. I guess we cooked up some hamburger helper. We watched Sweet Tooth on Netflix, and that's about it.
You got eyes like summer sky. If your smile could kill or die. And now it starts to rain, so let's enjoy it. I can't believe that this is real. And the way you make me feel, you make me wanna sing, and so I do. So if you want, I'll be right there. Anything you want for you, my sweetheart. I'll be by your side, and when I do get to see your smile, I'm up in the clouds and now we're apart. It will take a little longer to get you off my mind tonight.
We're at a rest area about 8 miles from our delivery here in Minnesota. We're working on the video for tomorrow. We'll get this unloaded, and tomorrow night we'll probably finish the video and put that on YouTube. It's kind of a boring night. It's almost time for bed. Puppers is already sleeping over there. We cooked up some chicken rice-a-roni, put some chicken in it. It was good. I put chicken in it, some peppers, some onions. I'm kind of eating poor right now, but next paycheck's supposed to be steak and potatoes paycheck, so we'll be back in the steak again. This week's been a hamburger helper week. Pretty sucky. Into the door. The light's still green, that means they're not in there yet. When the light turns red, they'll start unloading me, and then when it's done, we're supposed to get a message on this thing right here. Those things are a little bit annoying because when they go off, they go beep 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 and they vibrate and stuff. It's like a little pager. That is going to be about it for this load. Then we'll be headed back to Michigan. Some really dark clouds coming through here. It'll start storming any second now. That sucks. Some guy just pulled right in front of me. But they gave Puppers a little bone. That was nice. Yeah. So we'll see you soon. It is pouring rain. Oh, I can finally turn that dang thing off. It's freaking annoying. Gotta shut the doors. Hopefully it's not a huge mess. It's a little bit of a mess, dang it. Oh, look at all that water. Oh, my feet just got wet. Okay. All good. My foot is sliding around in my shoe. That's freaking annoying. Oh, that's life.